TheFinrate presents a deep dive into the world of mobile payments. As technology continues to evolve, so does the way we transact. Join us as we explore the rise of mobile payments and their impact on payment gateways and merchant accounts. The mobile revolution. Mobile devices have become an integral part of our daily lives. This shift has led to a surge in mobile payment adoption, offering convenience and accessibility to consumers. Contactless convenience. Near-field communication, NFC, technology has made contactless payments a breeze. Simply tap your phone against a compatible terminal, and your transaction is complete. QR code payments. QR codes have emerged as a popular method for mobile payments, especially in regions with lower smartphone penetration. Scan the code, enter the amount, and pay securely. Mobile wallets. Digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay store your payment information securely, streamlining the checkout process. The impact on payment gateways. Mobile payments have put pressure on traditional payment gateways to adapt. They must now support mobile-optimized interfaces, contactless technology, and QR code payments. Merchant benefits. Mobile payments offer merchants several advantages, including increased sales, reduced fraud, and lower transaction costs. Consumer preferences. Consumers increasingly prefer mobile payments for their speed, convenience, and security. Mobile payments are reshaping the payments landscape. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative mobile payment solutions to emerge. TheFinrate will continue to keep you informed about the latest trends in this exciting field. Subscribe for more such content and updates. Thanks for watching.